Okay, we are here at Blizzard Beach.
And I'm right here.
And,
I'm going right here.
and Jacea is about to jump on Teamboat Springs with me. Unfortunately, I don't have much memory space, so
I tested it out.
the footage is going to be pretty limited today.
Lie flat on your back. Lie flat on your back. Your arms are crossed in front of you.
Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Don't go yet.
All
When I lift the bar, you're going to do a big push, lean back, arms across your chest, okay?
When you
All right,
reach the
have fun.
bottom, move to the side immediately.
There you go.
Oh, and just a reminder, to slide down the center
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Put in the water across your ankle.
So Jacea is going to go on the zip line. Okay, let's see. Her go on the zip line. Let's see. Let's go.
Go ahead.
Oh, and there she goes.
Very good.
Now Zoella's about to go. Zoella's going to go on.
Okay, go ahead. You need help or you got it?
She's going.
There you go.
Here she goes. Oh my god.
Now it's your turn, Chloe. You excited?
I've done it before. I want a video.
All right, go ahead. Have fun.
I want to go down the slide.
Are you having fun today, Jacea?
Yes.
Hi, Ivory. You want to get on the slide?
Am I going on that slide?
That one over there, the race.
The way?
Yeah. Hi, Zoella. You have fun?
The one going up top? I am having fun!
Wow! 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 Was that fun? Was that fun? Woohoo! Woohoo! And it was a beautiful day here at Blizzard Beach.
Follow your dreams!
What do you think of Summit Plummet, Kai?
It was awesome. But if you go on it your first time, it's very scary.
Like you were telling Mom, maybe we should do Slush and Gusher. This is too scary.
I didn't say it was too scary.
I can't believe your mom did it first. It was pretty scary because it's just so high up. But it was worth it. And I don't know if I would do it again, but it was worth it.
I would do it.
I haven't even did Slush and Gusher yet, and I did Summit Plummet.
Yeah, and it was higher. I did Slush and Gusher.
And when you do it, the other kids think you're kind of famous because they're like, oh my gosh, you did the big one. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And how many times did you do Slush and Gusher today?
It was like, probably like 3 or 2.
And what did Dad do?
Dad done and he did the red slope and he done the finish thing. He had to be 48.
And I rode this for the first time, the chairlift. That's the first time I ever did that. It wasn't a bad wait at all at the park end here. Everything was quick. I would just come at the end of the day and get on everything.
Oh, definitely, and it beats going to one of those H2O parties.
Oh, yeah.
If you're looking for short waits, just come at the end of the night. Now granted, the park was open till 8 tonight. A lot of times it's only open till 5. But I'd say after 6 o'clock, everything was a walk-on. I mean, literally, we got on Summit Plummet, no one was there waiting. All the rides we got on late, there was no wait. So if you're looking for the experience of a dead water park, I'd come late.
I agree with that. And also after a rain, you can get on things pretty quick. As you can see, we're getting kicked out of the park. They're like, it's time to leave. And we're heading out. Well, we'll let the kids sign off. And
as well, we saw lifeguards swimming in the... Follow your dreams and have a fun